Hi, this is Dansoy. Welcome to my kitchen, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to bring you a quick 15 to 20 minute chicken parmesan in the pot. You don't even have to use your oven. As long as you use pre-cooked chicken breast, you can make this really quick and it's easy. Alright, so YouTube, we're back with part of the ingredients. We're going to use the Rayo sauce. Famous in New York. It takes like a year to get into this restaurant. It's tomato basil. We're going to use garlic. We're going to use Italian blend mozzarella and other cheeses. We have 2 pre-cooked chicken breasts. These are organic, really good. We have organic parsley. And we have olive oil. And Batman in the Kitchen is going to also use sea salt. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, we're back with the last 2 ingredients. We're going to use minced onion and we're going to use garlic powder. Both are really good, and we need the garlic powder just to add a little bit more zest to the chicken breast. I know we're using garlic, but fresh garlic, but garlic powder will add a little bit more to that. So you know, what you're cooking, just experiment, make the best of it. And I know there's professional chefs, and then there's us just trying to do it out of a hobby to please our family and our friends, but just experiment. But in home cooking, there's nothing that is set in stone. It's experimental, and just try different things. Do it for you or your family. As long as you're happy, that's what counts. So be back. Love you. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, we're back. We're gonna get everything in this pot, like basically olive oil and the chicken breast. We want to get it in there and then cover it and just let it maybe steam for like a minute or 2. Alright, so YouTube and Facebook, I already put some oil in there. I try to cut out some steps so it makes your viewing experience short and could be right to the point. But like I said, just put your olive oil in there and just make sure you have it coated and everything. So just make sure you have it coated. But basically the olive oil's in there, and now we're just going to throw in the chicken breast. Alright, so YouTube, we're back. We have the 2 chicken breasts in there, and like I said, if you use pre-cooked, it'll save you a lot of time. So I got the minced onion. I'm going to throw that in first. And then, like I said, you can't go wrong with garlic. Just throw the garlic in there. And the thing we're going to do is we're going to put the cover on this, and we're going to light the stove, and we're just going to basically steam it up for like a couple minutes. Alright, so we have the chicken in there, and we're going to turn it down to medium. And like I said, there's no complete science to this. Just steam it up a bit and see what we can do. But we have the olive oil in there, and you can see the steam right now. So just do it for like a minute or 2, get some heat in there, and then you can turn it off. And that's when you'll add the other stuff to it. Be back. God bless. Alright, so we're back now, YouTube. We're going to just put the salt in there. So just put the sea salt in there, and you're all set. So as long as you just sprinkle some on there, that's good. That's the next step, and we have the cover off. Next, we're going to put all the other ingredients on, and then it'll only take a matter of time to melt the cheese on top. Alright, so Facebook, we have the and YouTube, we have the parsley on top of that. So I put parsley on one side, and then next, that's really good Italian parsley. Alright, so Facebook and YouTube, we got the parsley on there, and now we're just gonna put some garlic on there. So just put that chopped garlic. You can mince it if you want, but it's all up to your taste. But you can't go wrong with garlic, and you really can't go wrong with parsley. And basically with Italian things, you can basically do whatever you need to do. But you can see the garlic and parsley on there. Be back for the final two steps. We'll cover it and we're done. I'm going slower because it's step by step and we're learning, but if you do this a lot and you don't have a camera in front of you, it takes less than 20 minutes. Alright YouTube, so we're going to put the final step on one of the best things. It's the Rayo sauce. Sorry, we're having a problem with the focus, but it's the Rayo sauce, and it's the tomato basil sauce. So we're just going to put some on there. And like I said, this is really the good stuff, so put on as much as you want. You can see the nice color. And if you want, take some of this olive oil and drizzle it on there. You can see how it's like a marinara. So that's the good thing about cooking and cooking in one pot. You just put it all together. And look at that. That's basically like a marinara sauce. But you can't go wrong with sauce. So we're just going to put the final step on there. And like again, just put some more olive oil on there, and look at that. That's drizzling it. We're going to the sauce and the thing. So the next step is the cheese, and we cook off and we're done. Alright, so YouTube and Facebook, we're back with the last step. You want to throw that cheese in there. And this thing here, don't spare the cheese. The more the cheese, the better. So you can see that. So I definitely don't skimp all the cheese. So the thing we're going to do is we want to put the cover on, and you can see that. And we're just going to fire up the stove, and now you're going to cook that until it melts down. You want this top part to melt all over the chicken. So we're in the Dansoy kitchen. Alright, so we're just going to cook that down now, and go with this. Like, it's cooking down, and you can see the steam and you can hear it. Alright, so we're in the final steps. You can see that cheese melting, and we're almost done. Like I said, it takes under 20 minutes. You probably could do this in 10 minutes if you do it without a camera and fast. Alright, but sorry we're making this video so long. I got the cover back on. It's on medium, and I just want to get the cheese melting a little bit more. But this is Dansoy, aka Batman in the kitchen. But you could see it. Can you hear that? Alright, so we're done, Facebook and YouTube. You can see that. Drizzle some more olive oil on there. You can do this as long as you want. I threw some more sauce on top, but you can see the melted cheese. So that's basically your chicken parmesan in a pan. But look at that cheese, really cooked. That's the best part of the chicken parmesan. So now we're just going to plate it, and we're set. Sorry, I'm just using a different camera today, and I'm trying to do my skills. But that's your chicken parm. We're going to plate it, and then we're off. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, you can see all the grease in there. That's really good. You could use that on top of pasta or dip bread into there. So you don't have to put this to waste. Look at all that nice grease and seasoning from the chicken and the cheese and everything. You can basically use that for bread or something else. But that's our chicken parmesan right there. The plate one. Sorry, the autofocus is bad tonight. But there it is. Your chicken parm in the pan. You can see how that good. Look at the grease on there. Look at the red. So thanks for visiting my channel. Thanks for visiting Batman in the Kitchen. Can you please subscribe? Hit the bell for 2 to 5 updates a week. God bless. Dansoy. Peace out.